Mod Squad, Honolulu, aloha.
Hang on. Let me get right back. Hey, Mod Squad, behave yourself out there. You already took a ride across the Golden Gate. You need to come back across again?
Well, I heard you talking to a mud dog out there, man. I just thought I'd jump in there and say hello. All right, 208, I'll take a stand in Honolulu. Mod Squad gone.
What? Hey, Mod Squad.
Hello there.
Leave us fucking alone, man. He's just trying to say howdy, dude. Hey, Mod Squad, I didn't know you needed to help drive back across the Golden Gate again, man, because you said you were going to take another ride. Hey, Mod Squad, get on out of there with your bad self, there, break.
Right back. Okay, 208, I'll be reading this mail in Honolulu. 208, Mod Squad gone. Bye-bye-bye.
Hey, Mod Squad, you ain't reading no mail. You're keying on the mail. Quit keying on the mailman. Hey, Mod Squad, how's the mailman supposed to make his deliveries if you out there keying on them, break?
10-4. I don't want to hurt nobody. I don't want to hurt nobody, so I'll go read the mail now.
Alright, 10-4. I sent a whole bunch of mail your way, so you'll be busy reading some mail for a while. Hopefully I can keep you occupied with something else. Alright, Mod Squad, you have a good day, man. May God's grace be around your place, that's for sure. You have yourself a beautiful weekend. You know that's right around the corner. Number 11, these James boys off this key.
Contact. Hey, 0062, I'll say hello to you. Have a good one, 0062. Mod Squad, Honolulu.
Yeah, Mod Squad. Yeah, about him is my new active for me, same time. But then over the Mod Squad, anything about the numbers? Yeah, he's got. I thought T9, man. I thought T9, see how it's going on. How you doing, Mod Squad? How are the Mr. Lady and the rest of the grandkids? Mod Squad, 0062, back at you, go ahead.
Doing good on this end there. 80062, the family growing? The family's growing downtown Honolulu. 0062, Mod Squad, right back. Contact. We'll catch you later, 0062. You guys have a good weekend. Mod Squad Mobile cruising downtown Honolulu is gone. Aloha.
Mod Squad, Mobile showing out, man. That's real. Take care, Mod Squad. Aloha.